Welcome to AI Toolkit Online. In this video, we'll introduce the AI product photography feature. It's a tool that creates professional product images effortlessly. So to get started, log into your dashboard, select the AI product photography feature below. Now this tool is perfect for e-commerce, marketing, and product catalogs. Upload a product photo or describe your product in detail. So, for example, we can do a smartwatch with a minimalist design to create a realistic product image. In our case, what I'll do is, what better product than, let's see here. I am going to select something very specific. Ah, here we go. All right. So what I'll do is I just uploaded a picture of me, and as you remember seeing, the background was it was a blurred background in a kind of a not a bar setting, but it was like a big office setting. So you can select a background. So what it'll do is it'll remove the background and replace it with something completely different. Again, this is primarily for products. So if you have a product and you want to have it sitting on a table, you would select dark wood, on and on and on. So let's take a look at the beach. All right, let's go ahead and replace my background with one at the beach. So again, this is ideal for product to be able to replace it to something that makes it look like it belongs. It enhances the existing product images by removing background. It adjusts lighting, it creates professional grade visuals, and alternatively, it generates a new product image based on your description. So customize your product images by choosing different backgrounds, layouts, or styles to match your brand's aesthetics. Save your images to the document section, which it does automatically, and then you can integrate them directly into your website or marketing materials. So the AI product photography feature makes creating professional product images fast and easy. So log in today and elevate your visuals with AI Toolkit Online.